Try not to do anything stupid today. Really hard. It's really hard for me. I do stupid shit all the time.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, it's Thursday, June 19, 2025, and this is Forex Morning Mayhem. Let's see what's happening in the news today. APAC stocks were subdued after Wall Street's mixed close, as traders weighed the Fed's steady rates and hawkish tone against rising geopolitical risks. Uncertainty grew with reports that President Trump is considering strikes on Iran's Fordo nuclear facility, keeping markets on edge. European futures signaled a softer open, and US markets prepared for an early Juneteenth holiday close. If you find this podcast useful, please like and subscribe to the show. If you are new to trading, check out the Trade Faction, a totally free resource where you can watch our trades live. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. Now let's join Bill and Dave for today's show.
So anyway, so you were saying before we started the show that you're getting bombarded with alerts, and that is an issue. The global capabilities of the system are working. So now it's just refining it. So a little weird nuances in there can get fixed. So one of them is when price would fall into a order pool, it would give you an alert. And it keeps giving you an alert every bar as long as price is in the order pool. So I thought that through and I said, you know what? It only really needs to tell me that the first time it goes in there. It would be really nice to have an alert that tells me when price is leaving an order pool, because that's really when you want to get into that trade, not when it's entering. You want to know that it's going in, but you definitely not want to know when it's coming out.
Yeah, that's
Right,
basically where
right
you
there, like those kind of
take the
things.
5 pip up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Because that's a great place to grab a scalp trade.
Mhm.
So I'm implementing it. I'm testing it right now to make
Okay.
sure that it works properly. I'll turn the zaps on and you'll see those today probably if one fires.
Okay.
It's pretty slow because of Juneteenth.
I hear
And
you.
that was the other thing that I simplified. Sometimes when you build stuff, you make it way too complicated because your brain is thinking complicated, and then later you go, oh, I could have done that a much simpler way.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I did in here was I put in time filtering for the alerts so
Mm.
that they would only be active during the overlap times. There's probably 200 lines of code that's figuring out when London and New York are overlapping and Sydney and Tokyo are overlapping, when all I should have done was turn them on at 8 in the morning and turn them off at 10 in the morning. Turn them back on at 7
Ah,
p.m. and turn them off at 11 p.m. kind of a thing. So
got
I'm in the process of going back in there and ripping out all that really complicated code that I wrote to figure out those overlap times and just simply put a little timer in there. So that was the other really big thing that I'm in the process of changing.
gotcha. Well, it
This
sounds like it's a nice change.
Yeah, this whole software development thing is weird. The way your brain works when you're thinking of things, but it's an ever evolving thing. So we'll get there. It works pretty good.
Yeah.
I see US dollar. It is
And
in a downtrend. Right now, the ADX is relatively strong, so it's a pretty strong trend. We are toying with being oversold. This is getting the tiniest shade of green here. Volume is normal. You'll notice that, excuse me, an AI prediction is bearish. You will notice that we are smushed between two big order pools here, one up there and one down here. We've been noodling around in here. Like I said, today is a national holiday, so the US market is not participating. I don't know what's going to happen, if it's going to react or not. Right now, it's looking pretty dead. US Canadian dollar, we are in a weak uptrend here. AI is predicting bullish candles going forward. Relative strength is right in the middle of the meter, and volume is normal. There was a tiny little order pool down here, which we skipped off of like a rock, and it's
Yeah.
continued to go to the upside there. We'll see if anything materializes there.
Are you an active trader looking to elevate your trading skills? We invite you to join the Trade Faction, a community where you can witness trades called out live. To connect with fellow traders and gain real-time insights, simply click the link in the description or scan the QR code to join our free Slack channel. This is a great opportunity to enhance your trading strategies and stay ahead of the market. Also, don't forget to download our new Forex AI Sage app in the Apple App Store to use the latest in agentic AI to help you trade. So what are you waiting for? Click that link or scan the QR code now and download the app today.
USD Chief, we are in a fairly strong bearish trend here to the downside. Relative strength is just below the middle, starting to turn a little green here. Volume is normal. We have an order pool down here that we bounced off of one time already. There's a couple of order pools up here that we didn't quite make it to, but they're up there as well. AI is predicting bearish candles going forward. Pound US dollar is in an uptrend. AI is predicting upward candles going forward. The RSI is turning a wee bit orange. That means it's getting closer to the top. We do have an order pool right here, a pretty strong one. We have a medium one and a high one up there. So I anticipate what will happen is price will come up to here and bounce to the downside if we make it to there in today's weird market. So
Mm.
I think that's all we wrote.
Yeah.
All right. Have a good day trading. I don't think it'll be too exciting, but I've been wrong before.
Yeah. As soon as we end the podcast.
Yeah, as soon
Cha-ding,
as we
cha-ding,
end,
cha-ding,
yeah.
cha-ding.
Good news is that I grew the account to over 10K from 5K, and I've taken 5K out, so now I'm back to 5K, and we'll start it all over again. That's the training account that I use for this show. My other
Gotcha.
account has done extremely well as well. Can't complain.
Awesome.
Try not to do anything stupid today. Really hard. It's really hard for me. I do stupid shit all the time. Okay. All right.
That was cue for do stupid shit. Gotcha.
Yeah, exactly. All right. Bye.